Hey everybody, this is Bill. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to you all. I hope everyone is ready to have a prosperous and healthy 2022. Today we are looking at stock market investing, and I'm going to continue my series of videos of 8 stocks associated with the Metaverse by presenting the 4th stock that I personally own and currently hold, which I believe are or is poised to be a significant player in the Metaverse. While I'm certainly not a financial advisor, I will hope to present you with some data so that if you're looking for investments within the Metaverse arena, perhaps this stock or one or more of these worthy stocks is up for your consideration. Now, I don't think this recent IPO was on the radar of many investors, but I think it sure should be. I jumped in the stock of the Glimpse Group early on and continue to add on weakness, and for a myriad of reasons, among many is the action in the 10-year bond. We are getting plenty of that recently, especially among higher risk stocks. Now, the Glimpse Group trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol VRAR, no doubt signaling their presence in the augmented and virtual reality marketplace, which is home to the Metaverse. The Glimpse Group is a virtual and augmented reality platform company which has 11 subsidiary companies providing a strong ecosystem. Let's learn a bit more from the following promotional piece provided from the company.
The Glimpse Group is a virtual and augmented reality platform company with 11 subsidiary companies. The Glimpse ecosystem enables the development of higher quality software products, shorter time to market, fewer redundancies, lower costs, and significant go-to-market synergies, all in one place. Our companies focus exclusively on creating impactful enterprise VR and AR software solutions, serving multiple industries. As leaders in the field, our companies create first-of-its-kind solutions for major brands and organizations in marketing, architecture, manufacturing, healthcare, education, retail, and financial services. Our unique business model and focus on VR and AR technologies enables our companies to push the boundaries of what's possible. With a focus on return on investment, we are changing the game for technology and business. If it's never been done before, the Glimpse Group can make it happen.
The company states on their website that, quote, the Glimpse Group's current platform includes 11 unique VRAR subsidiary companies. This ecosystem enables our subscribers to develop better products, shorter times to market, less redundancies, lower costs, and significant go-to-market synergies, end quote. The company further adds, quote, we intimately understand the potential of VRAR and apply this knowledge carefully to the business setting with a true return on investment focused. Quote, cool is not enough is our motto, end quote. Something Lyron Betovim, CEO of the Glimpse Group, recently said resonated with me. He said, quote, the internet brought the world to the classroom. Virtual reality is bringing the classroom to the world, end quote. That is a wonderful example, in my view, of the boundless possibilities within the Metaverse that the Glimpse Group, noted as one of the largest independent enterprise VR software and services companies out there, can thrive in providing. So let's get a look at the technicals, which I consider very important. Over at TipRanks, the SMART score is an impressive 8, signaling an outperform. Blogger opinions and investor sentiment at TipRanks are bullish. And investors are buying shares, which is always a bullish sign. After all, there are many reasons investors may be selling a stock, but there's usually only one reason they're buying. They believe in the future prospects of the company. At investors.com, the composite rating is a very poor 24. It is important to note that while it is true some of the Metaverse stocks remain juiced from the Metaverse owning the news cycle last quarter, many of these emerging companies in this arena have been hammered in the recent sell-off. VRAR is certainly one of those, even though most, in my view, are unfamiliar with the company and its relationship to the Metaverse. IBD rates the earnings per share of the Glimpse Group weak and finds the relative strength also poor, but in concert with the group relative strength rating. Given these ratings, the past performance would suggest you take a hard pass on investing here. But there is strong accumulation noted, so it certainly appears big money is getting in and betting on the future. I am too. A chart from TradingView.com gives us a great overview of VRAR. As recently as November, the stock was flying high, reaching almost $17 per share. However, as you can see, it fell to about $8 per share in mid-December. The stock appears slowly trying to work itself back to challenging those previous highs, but there's plenty of work to do. The overall trend remains positive, which is good, but the stock needs to break out from the recent downtrend we're involved in. Stock price action suggests the time may be near, as around January 24th, given there's no new turmoil hitting the markets, the stock appears to be reaching a pivot point. If the stock can move higher with volume from there, it should certainly achieve $11.50 per share or so before aiming to go higher. Ultimately, I think the stock moves much higher, given their wide-ranging platform and in this incredibly exciting future arena of the Metaverse. Although this is purely speculative, it also should be noted the Glimpse Group, focusing on an increasingly connected world through their immersive technologies, could well be considered a candidate for a buyout by one of the larger tech players hoping to step up their game in the Metaverse. What are your thoughts on the Glimpse Group? Is this a company anyone has even heard of? Any current shareholders out there listening? With their strong bench of subsidiaries, the Glimpse Group appears to have the playing field in the Metaverse covered, and we do like the stock very much. We always appreciate your comments, so do drop us your thoughts. Be interested in hearing from you. Please help us out with a like if you enjoyed our presentation. We'd appreciate that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out for us as we continue our Metaverse series, and we'll see you next time.